Well guys, Chef Beardsley, you probably seen from the title of the video, we finally got probably one of the most recognized Fisker 2-strokes ever released, I guess, including the first one they ever made. Got a LOSI 5T. They've been on back order for over a year, and they came in stock. And I know there's other companies that make cheaper versions that are pretty much identical. I just want to keep with the name brand just because I have the MTXL, I have the DBXL, now I have the 5T. All I need is a 5B. That's the reason why I went this route. But I'm pumped. Let me set up a table, we'll get it out, and we'll just go over it real quick. But yeah, 5T, baby. All right, so I just took the brown box off, obviously. And I cut the seals, so it says if seal's broken, don't accept it. But all I do is cut the seals. And I'm sure I know there's unboxing videos on this, but come on, bro. Woo. Look at it. Oh, man. Dude. 32 cc's of badassery. This is you have to bind it, so you have to have your own receiver. It does not come RTR out of the box, but I have a spare Noble receiver. I did get the orange one. I want the blue, but the blue was still on back order. I was like, I'm not waiting, because who knows when they're gonna get more. So dude, and yes, I've been looking at upgrades already, but I think we're actually gonna run it stock with the stock exhaust for a while, although we might see if one of those will fit. But oh dude, all right, let me set you guys up, see if I can get this box off. I'm gonna set it back in the side by side. Dude, I'm not a short course guy, but this thing's iconic, bro. How could you not? Not sure how good you guys can hear me. I got my fan going in the background. But cardboard. Is this thing like screwed into? I don't know. We should be able to do this in one go. Hold it. Dude. All right, suspension is super soft. Like I said, dude, I'm not a short course guy, but this thing's so iconic. I've been wanting one since the original one came out. This thing is so sexy. I know there's screws underneath holding the body on too, I believe. Yeah, here and here, which I have a feeling I'll probably never put those in once those come back out. But dude, and there's stuff in there, we'll open that too. But LOSI 5T 2.0. I did post a community thing asking what you guys thought was coming. I think one person guessed it, but he cheated. He knew. Dude, little mud flaps. Hell yeah, dude. So cool. All right, so I think you also need a receiver battery too, which I think I have one, so we're good. All right, so let me get these boxes, take the body off, and we'll go over. Oh dude, this thing is so iconic. All right, so in those two other little boxes, you got your normal tools, your tire wrench, your spark plug wrench, Allen, so you know, nothing too crazy. Then you got your manual showing the upgrade TLR parts, and they still have the balls to show the 5T, even though it's discontinued. Bring it back, LOSI, bring it back. But hell yeah. So let me grab, I need to figure out what size Allen that is on the bottom. We'll take the body off and give her a good look-see. Again, I know this has been out a while, people know, but it's mine. So we'll do a little Looks sick. Dude, I'm so pumped. Alright, so to take this body off, you gotta take the pins off up there, and then there's 4 screws on the bottom here. Again, I don't see myself putting these back in anytime soon. This is the bottom shot, excuse me, of the chassis. Hell yeah. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Should be able to. Pretty simple. And there's so many upgrades for this thing. It's been around for so long. Like I said, it's literally iconic. And I remember when the first one came out, I was like, what the hell? And this comes stock with a 32 out of the box. So I believe you pull these. Oh, is it a hinge? Oh, there we go. I knew there was pins in the front. There we go. And then slide off the bumper. There it is. There she is. Got aluminum screws, front and rear. Got the light bar in front. I don't foresee that lasting too long for me. This is where your battery will go for your receiver. I don't believe it comes with one because you have to add your own receiver. It does not, but I think I have a DDM battery for this somewhere. Gonna have to find it. It's a real long ass cotter pin. Why is there an antenna? Oh, it does come with a receiver. Huh. So I guess if you had a... I misspoke. I guess if you had a... what's it called? A Spectrum Fancy, like a Rugged or something like that, it'll work, but we don't run those. We're gonna run a Noble. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure in the listing on the website it says it needs a receiver. Unless it's, I might have misread that, but I'm almost 100% sure. But hey, it comes with one. If you have a Rugged or something like that, you should be good to go. Dude. Obviously your disc brakes, because it is a 2-stroke. Nice. The geometry of this, of the drivetrain, is more straight. Because I know in the DBXL, they were real pitched off to the side. These are a little more straight now. Like the new DBXL 2.0 2-stroke is more straight on now. But I think we are going to get the aluminum braces, the aluminum top here, front and rear. I'm pumped because I've been working on stuff. I'll show you real quick. We've been using the tractor, my grapple, and the bucket outside to do things. I've been leveling that out. I've been clearing all this out. I've been clearing out that section there. So we're gonna try to build a track. I have a special guest coming this month. He's gonna help me move that to there, and then we'll probably get some dirt and do dirt things. So yeah, I am super excited because where I live, there's actually fifth scale tracks. So yeah, we can like take it somewhere and actually like do track things. Dude, I'm pumped. And again, there's a bunch of upgrades and craziness you can do. We're gonna run a stock for a little bit at least. The only thing we might do is see if one of those pipes I have, one of these, because this is a Bartolone. This Bartolone might fit. Yeah, because this is, might be a little bit too far over, maybe. Might be too close to the pull start. I got another Bartolone here. This for a Baja. Yeah, this is another Bartolone. This came off a LOSI 5B. This might work too. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. But yeah, dude, I'm pumped. So there'll be a video on this very soon. I got other videos coming. All that. Oh, dude. Like I said, it's iconic. Like, anybody's into fifth scale either has one of these or know of them, because the first one literally changed the fifth scale scene. The original 5T, like, was like crazy, and this is the 2.0, and it's been on back order for over a year. And once I seen it, I was like, I got it. And I'm sticking with name brand. I know cheaper and same thing and all that, but I'm trying to keep the names together. Hell yeah. Alright, well, like and subscribe. We might swap the receiver out in a live stream tonight, maybe. We'll see. If you were there, thank you. If not, where were you? And I will catch you guys soon.